Welcome LEGO fans, I'm Holger, the Austrian brick fan from Carinthia in Austria, and today LEGO City set number 60411, the Fire Rescue Helicopter. 85 pieces, one minifigure for $10 or euros. It's a nice little set, what is a great addition to the new fire station set number 60414, because with the fire station there is no helicopter delivered, but the fire station has a landing spot for a helicopter on top, and this helicopter of course fits perfectly in there. So it's a great addition that I wanted to show you also in this video. So I put it away again. And now let us take a look at the minifigure, what is included. Here he is. He has no second face printing, but you can exchange the hairpiece with the helmet. So as you can see, and there is this small fire piece also included, because the helicopter has two stud shooters, one on each side. I hopefully know how this works. When you push the button, you kick out those one by one round tiles, and you can kill the fire with this in play mode, of course. You can open the cockpit to place the minifigure inside. You have two storage cases here, one on each side, and this is all the helicopter has on functions. Then I think let us take a quick look at the instructions. There it is. Of course, because of the small size of the set, we have no numbered bags, so you must open all what is in the box at once, and then it is built. It's quite easy, not difficult. Everyone should finish it without problems. And a last quick look at the box of the set. Here it is. And that was it from me to the set. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye bye.